Good morning to everyone. My name is Xavier Gilin, holding metric number 20241394111. So for today, I'm gonna present about insect collection for AGR464. So for introduction of insect is a diverse and abundant group of invertebrates. They also categorized by their segmented body, jointed leg, and exoskeleton. Other than that, insects also belong to the class Insecta within the phylum Arthropoda. Their body also is divided into three distinct regions, which consist of head, thorax, and abdomen. Most adult insects possess a pair of antennae on their head, three pairs of legs on the thorax, and in many cases, wings for flight. Besides that, insects also important in plantation area, which they act as a pollinator agent, decomposing organic matter, and serving as a food source for numerous other organisms. The second, some insects also have economic importance as pollinator of crop or as pests that damage agriculture produce. For example, of pollinator agent are bees and weevil, and example for pest insect is nettle caterpillar, termite, and moth. So for objective, there are few objectives for this laboratory. The first one is to identify the physical characteristics of insects, including body segmentation, appendages, and distinct body region. The second one classify insects according to their respective order, recognizing key features that differentiate each order. The third one demonstrate proper insect collection technique, including using field equipment such as insect nets, pin, and storage box. Then the fourth one to master the process of killing insect ethically using killing jar and preserving them for further study. And the last one is to learn how to correctly pin and mount insect for display and study, and ensuring specimens are well preserved. In this laboratory, there are also a few materials that being used in this laboratory. The first material that we use are sweeping net that used to capture the insect. The second one are killing jar that used to collect or killing the insect that been captured. And the third one is pinning block, is to help ensure that insect pin is inserted to a standard height. And the fourth is ethyl acetate that used as killing agent where it euthanize collected insect. And the fifth one is insect pin, is used to pin the insect correctly. And the last one is storage box that to store all the insect that been collected. So there are few activities to complete the insect collection activities. The first of all activity for the laboratory are collecting insect. The material that needed in this step are sweeping net and collection jar. These are the procedure for collecting insect, which consists. The first one is by surveying habitat. Select a suitable habitat for insect collection based on the target species or diversity of insect. The second one is use an insect net or collection jar to capture flying insect or sweep nets for insect on vegetation. And the third one is carefully approach insects to avoid startling or damaging them during collection. And the last one is put the insect that been captured inside the collection jar. The second one is killing the insect that been captured. The material that needed for this part is killing jar, carton, and collection jar. The procedure for this step are: once the insect is captured, gently place it inside the killing jar. Place a piece of absorbent material such as cotton ball or paper towel at the bottom of the jar. Add a few drops of a killing agent like ethyl acetate or nail polish remover to the absorbent material. Ensure not to saturate it completely. Wait for 2 minutes until the insect is confirmed dead. Once the insect is confirmed dead, it can be removed from the killing jar for further processing such as spinning or preservation. And the third step is insect spinning activities. The material that needed in these activities is insect pin and collection box. The procedure for these activities are: first, choose a non-rusting insect pin and insert it to the insectoid, slightly right of the midline. The second one, ensure the pin is secure but not overly tight to prevent damage as you place it through the insectoid. The third one is secure the insect's wing to display its full body. And the fourth one is position the insect near the pin head, allowing space for labeling. And 5. After labeling, promptly pin the insect to the collection box. And the third step is insect pinning activities. The material that needed in these activities is insect pin and collection box. The procedure for these activities are: first, choose a non-rusting insect pin and insert it to the insectoid, slightly right of the midline. The second one, ensure the pin is secure but not overly tight to prevent damage as you place it through the insectoid. The third one is secure the insect's wing to display its full body. And the fourth one is position the insect near the pin head, allowing space for labeling. And 5. After labeling, promptly pin the insect to the collection. The fourth step is labeling insect activities. The material that needed to proceed these activities are pen and adhesive plaster. There are few procedures to complete this activity, which consists: first, labeling the insect. The label should display taxonomic details such as the order, family, species, and any additional relevant information. Second one, use a paper to do the labeling. Third one, ensure the information is accurate and clearly visible for future reference and research. The fourth one, place the labeling at the bottom of the insect that been pinned. The fifth one is the labeling of insect is done, and the last one, repeat the same step for different insects. And the last activity is for storage and display. This activity is to store the insect that been captured and display the insect for people to see. There also had a procedure for storage and displaying the insect, which are: first one is safeguard neatly pinned and label insect specimen in assigned collection box or cabinet to shield them from harm, dust, and pests. The second one is categorize specimen into segments according to taxonomic classification. for example, odor and family, for effortless access and examination. The third and the last one is to preserve insect collection in a cool, dry location, shielded from direct sunlight to avoid fading or harm to the specimen. So, in conclusion, the successful completion of this laboratory session has provided us with essential insect ability that will be used in future studies on agriculture insect management. This practical knowledge will serve as a foundation for future lab where we will go deeper into pest management and control approach. And I think just that from me. Thank you for listening.